So good evening, fantastic evening to all of you. I hope you had a great day. Okay, if you can see me and hear me clearly, I will launch this poll. You can select the relevant option on the poll. Okay, if you can see me and hear me clearly, then you can select the relevant option. Okay, cool. So I hope you can see me and hear me. Everything is proper. The technical settings are up to date. So I think we can start the class. Okay. Yes, great. So I will just start the class by looking at your text. Okay. So many of you have sent some text. So let's just start by looking at the text. Okay. Yes says good evening. Yes, Sneha, Vinayak, Ayush, everyone. Good evening. Chinmay, Janvi ma'am, Ayush, then Nidhi, Kunal, Sanjana, Janvi, Rutvika, Sindhu, Vedant, everyone. Uh, Good evening. Rutvika says, sir, I'm not able to hear you. Rutvika, that was because I was not talking. I just started talking now. Okay. Then, yes, Sanjana, then Samruddhi, Siddharth, Nishant, Ratan, Priyanka, Shri Krishna, Manthan, Vinayak, Ajinkya, then Suraj Gowda, Sanjay, and Abhishek, everyone. Okay, so good evening. Abhishek asks, sir, do you also know hacking? No, 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 not exactly. No, I don't know, man. I don't know hacking. Okay. Which type of hacking are you talking about? Okay, that is important. Okay, then Vedant is asking yesterday's classwork. Yesterday's classwork, we just solved some 2, 3 questions. That's all. Okay, nothing much. Ayush says, how am I? I'm awesome. I'm fantastic. It's been a great day. Okay, then Yeshwant, Veda, and everyone. Okay, everyone. Sujan, Sai Kiran, Shreyas, everyone. So, good evening. Okay, good evening. Fantastic evening. Surya Prakash is asking, what is the weather there? It was raining, it was drizzling quite some time ago, and now it's just fine. Okay, it's just damp weather, cloudy monsoon as usual. Okay, Shri Krishna is asking, have you played COD? Yes, I have played COD, but I haven't played on mobile. Okay, so when I was in college hostel, I'm also addicted to all types of games, but nowadays I have just reduced. I don't want to play games anymore. Okay, cool. So we'll start with today's class. Okay, fantastic. As I told you yesterday. Okay, so here onwards, I'll be taking you down through some of the career options. Okay, so yesterday we saw about pilot. Okay, today we'll see the details of how to be a pilot. Okay, which are the best flying schools in India to join. What will be the fees? What exam you have to write, and what all things you are supposed to do. So let's start with that. Okay, let's start with that first. I want to show you one of the flying schools campus so that you have an idea how your college is going to be if you join a flying school. Okay, so let's quickly get started. Okay, so with this one of the amazing flying schools, there's so many Chotu Motu flying schools. Okay, so this is just one among them. Okay, I'll tell you the top 5 or the best flying institutes of the country. Okay, so first, let us start the class by watching this video about this flying school. Where is it? 1 second, I'll just quickly load it. Okay, so there you go. Okay, I found the video and let's start. Okay, so on your screen now, you see this amazing flying club. Just watch it carefully. stop right there. Okay, so there's like a fantastic experience. There's so many such schools, okay, across the country. Okay, you have like small aviation academies, and you have some well reputed aviation academics. But the problem is there is a big problem. Okay, so what is the problems? I'm going to tell you now. Okay, so but how many of you liked it? How many of you at least liked the entire setup of like this flying school? Okay, if you liked it, you can just click on S. Okay, so how many of you love that? It's not like a traditional classroom that you have. Most of the things are practical. Okay, they're going to teach you all the controls and everything, and they'll give you an aeroplane. Go fly. Okay, show what you can do with the aeroplane. Okay, of course there are risk factors. Okay, and there are some complications, but life is about taking risk. Okay, so anyways, let us come and see some other details. Okay, so about being a pilot. Okay, so yesterday, where is yesterday? Yesterday. Okay, so yes, so this is a simple like thing that you have to keep in your mind. So this should be your motivation. Okay, you can make lot of money. I'm telling you, you can make lot of money by being a pilot, but it all depends on various factors. Okay, so today we will see those factors. Okay, so what are those various factors? So the first thing you got to understand is that there are some different types of license. Okay, so the major popular ones is CPL and PPL. Okay, no, they are not like IPL. Okay, they're not games. Okay, CPL stands for commercial pilot license. Okay, so CPL stands for commercial pilot license, and PPL stands for private pilot license. Okay, so this is if you have your own aircraft. Okay, so that is if you're like Vijay Mallya, or if you like any such big businessman, Ambani and all. If you have your own aeroplane, if you have your own aircraft and you want to fly your own aircraft, then you have to have this. Okay, if you have your own plane, okay, which most of us do not have. Okay, so this is CPL is what majority of the people go for. That is, you will get a license so that you can be a pilot, you can be a captain of Indigo Airlines or SpiceJet or AirAsia or whatever it is. Okay, so this is for purely the airlines. Okay, for whatever airlines you choose to fly for. Okay, so for this, after 10 standard, okay, so after 10 standard, it will be really good if you take science. You got to take science. Okay, so you have to take science. No commerce, no arts, no. You take a science, you will have the benefit. You will have the upper end. Okay, so after 10 standard, so take science. Okay, so next after 10 plus 2. Okay, so whatever stream you have chosen for PCMS, PCMC, PCMB, whatever you have taken. Okay, so you have to write the test. Okay, you have to write this. Entrance test will be there. Okay, some you can just tell you are opting for CPL, so there'll be some entrance test. Okay, so application fees will be there. You have to pay some 10K or something and write the exam as such. Okay, so after this, if you get selected and all, you can choose the flying school. Okay, the flying schools, top flying schools in India. Okay, so these are the best flying schools in India. At the first position, so you have Indira Gandhi. Okay, so Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Uran Academy. Okay, so this is the most famous IGRUA. Okay, so which is there in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, which is there in Uttar Pradesh, which was established by Rajiv Gandhi sir when he was the Prime Minister of India somewhere in 1985. Okay, so fun fact, if you know this or not, so Rajiv Gandhi sir, he himself was a co-pilot. Okay, he himself was a co-pilot in Indian Airlines before becoming the Prime Minister. Okay, so before becoming the prime minister of the country. Okay, so at the first position, so we have IGRUA. Okay, so followed by, there are so many other schools. Okay, you have this Bombay Flying Club, one of the oldest flying clubs. Okay, so in the country, this is that flying club where JRD Tata, okay, JRD Tata, he himself got the pilot license. Okay, so way back, some 100 years ago. Okay, then after this, you also have some other reputed flying schools like AAA, so which stands for Ahmedabad Aviation and Aeronautics. Okay, so some of you are asking, I want to become an aeronautical engineer, and also the truth is, in India, the scope is very less. We do not have any best college which gives you a proper aeronautics. Okay, so all these private colleges or something, whichever is there for aeronautics, they're not that good enough. Okay, don't do. You want to really do aeronautics? Okay, you have two options. First, go outside India. Okay, second option, do mechanical engineering from IIT or NITs, then do masters, okay, outside India regarding aeronautics or something else. Okay, but aeronautical engineering as such in India, the scope is very less, plus the colleges are not good. Even IITs also, they don't have this proper aeronautical branch which is well developed ones. Okay, so that's the problem. So we have all these conventional things. Okay, so they also have all this other chota mota flying clubs like Chennai Flying Club and everything. Okay, so you also saw the video is about Chimes Aviation Academy. And there are so many, man. There are more than like 20-25 flying clubs in India. Okay, but everybody has a problem. So what is the problem? I'll tell you now. Okay, and you also have Carver Aviation Academy and so many. Okay, so many. So now the biggest issue of all this is for engineering and medical. So we have a particular board. Engineering, everything is under AICTE. Okay, so they take care of things. Okay, for all the medical colleges, we have a medical board which will take care of it. Okay, but for all these flying schools, there is a little bit of a problem with who sets this. For example, for all the CBSE schools, okay, CBSE board will conduct the exam. They will take responsibility. For all the state syllabus schools, the state board. For example, if you're a Maharashtra student, the Maharashtra state board will take care of all your evaluation, all those things. They are responsible. Okay, so there's a particular body which takes care of everything. So over here, there's slightly a controversy. The Ministry of Civil Aviation, okay, or DUG, whatever it is. Okay, so everybody is not affiliated as such. Okay, and the issue with everyone is the fees. The fees is going to shoot up. The average college fees itself is 50 lakhs. Okay, that is minimum. I'm telling, minimum college fees is 50 lakhs. It can even shoot up close to 90 lakhs or 95 lakhs also. Okay, this is for the course. This is for the course, okay, that you will be doing. Okay, and every college has their own type of course plan and everything. There's not a common standard system that follows. For example, 9th standard should get over in 1 year, correct? That is true. Okay, but over here, if you go for some IGURCA, they take some 20 months to finish the course, but somebody else can finish it in 12 months. Okay, you see the course duration, everything, there's a problem. There's not a particular setup who has a fixed rules and everybody should follow the rules. That is not there. All these private flying clubs, they have their own rules and nobody can overcome those or something like that. Okay, so that is the big issue. Okay, that is the big issue. So this is like minimum. I'm telling you, this is minimum. Okay, minimum fees. Okay, then hostel fees separate. Okay, your mess fees separate and all the other things separate. Okay, so life is kind of expensive. Okay, but after you finish the course, after you get the license, okay, you're going to make double money of what you're going to spend here. Okay, so the problem is you have to choose the best flying schools out of this, which is convenient for you, and you got to make sure that you do well. Okay, you do well in the course and you be in the top. Okay, if you're not in the top, then you may not get a job also. Okay, so it's competitive. Okay, there's a lot of competition. Okay, fine. So this was about the flying schools. Okay, the big drawback is this, and no standard, no standardized, no standard board which will have a particular syllabus or curriculum or something like that. Okay, so that is another big issue. Everybody has their own rules and it's going to be complicated. Okay, so depends, but hopefully you have another 2-3 years, maybe something might change. Okay, and that's it. If you have any other specific questions of B pilot, then we can see later, or you can just text me later or something. I'll be happy to help. So other things, Ashutosh and everybody else, other things, this is not the time. Okay, this is time for foundation. Okay, so next class I'm going to tell you another career option. Okay, so what you can do or what you can become. Okay, so now let's continue with the class. Every class one career option we will see. Okay, so now let's continue with syllogism. Okay, so other questions, other text what you're sending me, we'll take it after 5:30. Okay, so now it's time to study. So let us continue syllogism. So yesterday, if you remember, I had solved some questions and had given some question as homework. So how many of you solved? How many of you solved the homework? It was just very less, man. Some 3-4 questions only it was there. Okay, not this. So yesterday, okay, so I had solved like 1, 2, 3 question. Okay, so remaining question. So I had given for homework. Okay, so remaining question given for homework. Okay, so now question number 4. Okay, so question number 4, question number 5, question number 6 was homework. Okay, so if you have in, how many of you want me to start from question number 4? Okay, you can click on yes if you want me to start from question number 4. Okay, if you want me to start from question number 4, you can click on S, or else I'll start from the next page. Okay, or the next part. Okay, so at least you try all these questions. If you do not try, okay, then it will be difficult for you. Okay, so I'm going to start from the next page. Okay, so that is question number 7. Okay, I'm going to start from question number 7. So 4, 5, 6 is your homework. Okay, I'm going to at least tell the answer so that you know whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, whether it is correct or wrong. So I'm going to just mark the answer. If you have doubt or something, you can just ask me later. Okay, so question number 4. Question number 4. If you opt for option D is correct. Okay, if you have selected option A, you will also get marks. Okay, you will also get marks if you have selected either A or D. Okay, don't worry. Okay, because this is slightly a different question. Okay, if you opted for D, you will get marks. If you opted for A also, you will get marks. Okay, grace mark. Okay, question number 5. Question number 5. The answer is C. Okay, question number 5. The answer is C. So question number 6. The answer is B. Okay, question number 6. The answer is B. Okay, and this was your homework. Okay, I had given you yesterday itself. So 4, 5, 6 homework. So now I go to start from question number 7. Okay, I go to start from question number 7. Okay, so let us start from question number 7. Chinmay and all the other people, more details about pilot or other things, let's keep it for other session. Okay, now I have to focus on the class. I would appreciate if you also focus on the class. Okay, so other things, as I told, you can definitely ask me after the class. Okay, now let's focus on syllogism. So question number 7, okay, I will solve and later you can solve. Okay, so question number 7, real quick. So they're telling all tables are cupboards. So I will make this big circle this is for cupboards. Okay, and inside the big circle I have this chotu circle which denotes tables, because they have told all tables are cupboards. Okay, so this cupboard is my big circle. Okay, now that is statement 1. Now statement 2, some cupboards are chairs. Okay, some cupboards are chairs. Okay, so now I can draw the diagram like this. Okay, some cupboards are chairs, not all, only some. Okay, some cupboards are chairs. The diagram can be like this. Okay, or the diagram can also be like this. Okay, what if those chairs are kind of coinciding with a table like this? Okay, so possibility is there. Okay, either that diagram or this diagram. Okay, so these are the two possibilities based on statement number 2. Okay, so this is our diagram. This is our diagram. Now let us write the table also. Let us write the table also. Using this diagram and table, we can solve the question. So as per the relation, table is connected to cupboard, table is connected to cupboard, and cupboard is connected to chair. Okay, cupboard is connected to chair. That's all. Only this much is given in our question. Okay, step 1 diagram over, step 2 table over. Now let us look at the conclusions and select the answer. Okay, so conclusion 1 says some chairs are tables. Okay, some chairs are tables. Now if you look at the diagram, we don't have clarity, not sure, because if you see regard the relationship between chair and table, it is unknown. Okay, you see I made a cloud. Okay, we know relationship of only table and cupboard, and we know the relationship of cupboard and chair, but we do not know the relationship of chair and table. Pata nahi. Okay, it is not given in the question, unknown. Okay, next conclusion 2, they are telling no chair is table. Okay, no chair is table. Again they are talking about chair and table. Again they are talking about chair and table, which we do not know because it's not given. Okay, it is not given in the question. Okay, as I have put here, unknown, chair table relationship unknown. Okay, so conclusion 1 is also not sure, conclusion 2 is also not sure. So in this question the correct answer will be option D, that is none of the conclusions can be considered. None of the conclusions can be considered. Okay, so you have to only look into the data given. Okay, and no other assumptions. Nature that doesn't work. Okay, this is syllogism, this is logical reasoning. Whatever is there in the statements, only that much. Do not apply any other mathematical analysis, axioms of Euclid and all. I'm sorry, this is not mathematics. Okay, this is logical reasoning, and this is the rules. Follow the rules. Okay, follow the rules. Whatever is there in the statement, utna hi, only that much. Okay, so if you understood this question, so click on S. Okay, if you understood this question, click on S. Okay, and make sure you note it down. You note it down. You take a photo. Okay, note it down. Take a photo and practice. Okay, after the class, you also sit. You also look at the solution. You also read the question. Okay, because just by once or twice, if you just read, you won't understand. This is not a easy concept. This is a challenging chapter. Okay, you have to practice. Most of you did not do homework only. Then how do you expect that you will understand everything? Okay, if you don't do homework, then nobody can save you. Okay, so please first do your work, and then you talk about understanding or not understanding. First do homework, practice karo na. Without practicing, you do not have right to tell that you did not understand, because you did not practice. That is your fault. Okay, so practice more. Write down the solutions. Whatever I'm writing on the pad, you also write it down, please. It's a request. Okay. So next question, question number 8. Question number 8, I'm going to launch the poll. Let us see if you can solve question number 8. Okay. Simple question, easy question. Okay. Try. Okay. You have your time. Look at the question, draw the diagram, make the table, and then choose the answer. Follow the steps. Okay. Follow the steps. Okay. I'm going to reply to all your text only after 5:30. Okay. I said only after 5:30, I'm going to reply to your messages. Okay. I am concentrating on the class. I expect you also to do the same. Let's focus on the class. Other queries after 5:30. Okay. Now solve this question, please. Okay. Solve this question. Okay. Another 10 seconds. Okay. You can do this. Come on. Okay. It's an easy question, simple question. Everybody can get this. Okay. You are smart. You are smart. You are amazing. Okay. So you have lot of potential. Okay. That is why you're in foundation. Okay. So please solve. Please solve. Come on. You have another 5 seconds. Okay. Maybe another 5 seconds. Please try. Please try. Just follow the steps. Follow the steps. You'll be good to go. Okay. Just follow the steps. I'll be happy if you can at least follow the steps. Diagram karo. Do the diagram first. Write the table. Half of your job is done. Okay. Draw the diagram. Write the table. That would be fantastic. Okay. So I'm going to end the poll now. I'm going to end the poll now. And let us see the answers and what all options your friends and you have selected. Okay. So I'm going to end the poll. And I'm going to share the result on your screen now. So there is kind of confusion between option A and option B, but option B has received the majority of the people have opted for option B. So let us check it out. What is the answer to this question? Okay. So first I'm going to rub all this. Okay. So I hope you have taken it down. Okay. So just if you cannot take it down, at least take a photo. Okay. If you cannot write it down, if you have some other, complexities, you cannot write it down, then at least take a photo. Okay. So I'm going to rub all this. And yes, there you go. Question number 8. Okay. So step 1. So follow the steps. Step 1, draw diagram. Okay. Step 1, draw diagram. I'm going to make one. Okay. So all the harmoniums are instruments. So I'm going to make this circle. This is my instruments and harmonium is inside. Okay. Because they have told all the harmoniums are instruments. Okay. Statement number 1. All the harmoniums are instruments. Okay. Statement number 2. All the instruments are flutes. Okay. All the instruments are flutes. That means there's another circle like this, and that is your flute. Okay. That is your flute. Okay. Come on. If you got this diagram correct. Okay. If you got this diagram correct, click on S. Okay. Click on S. If you at least got the diagram correct, I'll be happy. Because step 1, diagram should be correct. Okay. If your diagram is wrong, then maybe your analysis is also wrong. Okay. Diagram should be correct. Come on. Okay. Diagram galat nahi hona. Okay. Diagram sahi hona. Okay. Diagram should be correct. Okay. Fine. So some of you got diagram 1. So next time, please make sure your diagram is correct. Okay. So now step 1, diagram over. Now step 2. Make relationship table. Okay. Make relationship table. Okay. So let us see the table, the relationship table. So I'm going to make the relationship table here only. Okay. See, now you can practice and you can adopt all these techniques. Okay. And once you are perfect in the exam, competitive exam, straight away looking at the question, you will get the answer. Okay. Now all these are practice. Abhi karo. Please do all this now. Don't be lazy. Okay. Do all the steps. So now relationship table. I know the relationship of harmonium and instruments. Okay. Dekho, it is given here. Okay. Harmonium and instruments relationship I know. Okay. Next Relationship of instruments and flutes also I know. Okay, instruments and flutes relationship also I know. That's all. Apart from this, we do not know anything. And now let us go for step 3. Let's attack. Okay, let us choose the correct answer. Okay, choose the correct answer or option. So with this idea, let us go back and see the conclusions. What all conclusions have they given us? Conclusion number 1, all flutes are instruments. Absolutely wrong. Okay, because what they have given, they have told all instruments are flutes. Okay, they have said all instruments are flutes. Conclusion 1 is wrong. Okay, conclusion 1 is wrong. Next, they're telling all the harmonium, are flutes. All the harmonium are flutes. Look at the diagram. First step diagram. Look at the diagram. Where is harmonium? Harmonium is the innermost circle. Okay, that innermost circle is inside the circle of flute. Okay, inside the circle of flute. I'm making it dark. Okay, so you see all the harmoniums are flutes. From the diagram, you can definitely make it out. Okay, from the diagram you can see that all the harmoniums are indeed flutes. Okay, so conclusion 2 is correct from the diagram wise. Okay, I did not apply any of my own analysis. Based on the statements, based on the diagram, we are deciding conclusion 2 is correct. Okay, now which of the option is directing us towards conclusion 2? That is option number B. Okay, option number B. Okay, option B in this question is the correct answer. Okay, and most of you have gone with option B. Okay, so hence option B is indeed the correct answer. Okay, fantastic. So 25 students got it correct. Okay, so good job. Okay, good job. No problem. Okay, so now let us move to the next question. Okay, let us move to the next question. Okay, so Shri Krishna, I'm telling you, you cannot apply your own common sense or other things. Please. This is the rules for syllogism. Do not have other interpretations. Sir, A is equal to B, sir, B is equal to C, so A is equal to C, sir, everything is C. No. Okay. Here, look at only the statements. From the statements, you have to decide. Okay. So, no personal or no other analysis or interpretation is allowed. Okay. I'm making it clear. Syllogism works on a different rules. Follow the rules. Okay, follow the rules and you will get everything. Okay, so based only on the statements, you have to select the correct option. Aste. Okay, that is why draw the diagram, make the table, practice lot of questions. You will get an idea. This topic has more than 50 questions. Okay, I'll be giving you homework today also. Practice. Only when you practice, you will get an idea. Without practice, everything is confusing. Okay, please. So first, write it down. Okay, write it down, this question. Okay, now question number 9. Let us see if you can get question number 9 correct. Come on, you can do this. Okay, if not question 8, question 9. Okay, question 9, all yours. Okay, you are wonderful. You can do this. Question number 9. Question number 9, easy question. Question number 9, easy question. Simple question. I hope you can do this. Okay, come on. Let us see if you can do question number 9. Follow the steps. Okay, draw the diagram, make the table, and then select the answer. Okay, please do not apply any of your mathematics skills or any of your personal other talents over here. Please, not allowed. Only the question should help you get the answer. That's all. Okay, so that is why it is called logical reasoning, based only on the statements. Okay, no other analysis. Sorry. Okay, so another 20 seconds. So let us see if you can crack it in the next 20 seconds. So now it's your turn. You solve. Then afterwards, I will solve, and then you can just check it out, your answer, if it is correct or wrong, or you can just verify with mine. Okay, so last 5 seconds. So please vote fast. Last 5 seconds. At least try, man. At least try. I'll be happy even if you could draw the diagram. Answer Chodo. Answer next. If you can draw the diagram successfully, I'll be happy. Okay, step 1 to karo. Step 1, at least do it correctly. Okay, I'll be happy if you can at least do the diagram correctly. Okay, now I'm going to end the poll. End the poll. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time up. Okay, let us see the answers. Okay, let us see the answers. So on your screen now, majority of you have selected for option A, then followed by option C, and next D, and very few have selected for option B. So now let us see what is the answer to this question number 9. Okay, so I'm going to solve this in front of you, so please understand the way I'm solving. Okay, at least note it down how I'm solving. Okay, and make sure you write it down. You please write it down, or at least take a photo so that you can revise it off later. Okay, so I'm going to rub all this, but the steps are going to be there. Remember the steps. So I'm going to start with first statement. Some papers are pens. Only some papers are pens. So I'm going to do the diagram like this. This is for paper and this is for pen. Okay, some papers are pens. That's all. Okay, next they're telling all the pencils are pens. Okay, so all the pencils are pens. So I'm going to make the chotu circle inside. Okay, and that is for pencil. I'm going to mark it as P. Okay, because space, there's not much space for me to write. Okay, pencil is P. Okay, so now this is one diagram possible. Another diagram possible is when I do this for paper, when I do this for pen, this can also be the possibility, but we do not know. Let us first see the conclusions. Okay, so step 1 over, but next have to do the relationship table. All of this is going to help you. I know relationship of paper and pen. Okay, relationship of paper and pen. I'm encircling them. Next, I also know relationship of pencil and pen. Okay, pencil and pen relationship I know. Okay, this much is our table. Now step 3, attack. Okay, step 3, attack this. So conclusions. Okay, now conclusion number 1. Okay, conclusion number 1 says some pens. Okay, some of the pens are pencils. Look at the diagram. Any diagram, even if you choose this or this diagram, you will notice that some of the pens are actually pencils. Okay, you see the inner circle, what is there? Okay, inner circle, that is your pencils. Okay, I'm gonna mark this like this. Okay, chakra type, I did know. Those are the other pens which are not pencils. Okay, but anyways, I'll not make it confusing for you. Okay, my diagram is back. So anyways, okay, so statement number 1, some pens are pencils. Okay, so if you actually look at the diagram, pen is this full circle and pencil which I marked in P, that is inside. Okay, some of the pens are pencils, correct. Okay, I know the relationship of this pencil and pen relationship, I know. Okay, this conclusion correct from the diagram. Whose help? Diagrams help. Okay, now second conclusion, some pencils are papers. Okay, some pencils are papers. That we cannot say. Not sure. Okay, why? You look at the relationship table. Look at the relationship table. We do not know relationship of pencil to paper. Relationship is unknown. Okay, you see, I made a cloud. Okay, and from the diagram also we cannot make it out, because you see there are two diagrams. Okay, so pencil and paper relationship nahi pata. Okay, we do not know. We cannot conclude that from the table also, nor from the diagram. Okay, so if you now look at it, only conclusion 1 appears to be correct based on our diagram. Okay, which we did based on the statements. I did not do my own diagram. Based on statements, I did the diagram. And based on statements only, I'm selecting the answer. Okay, conclusion 1 is correct. Okay, that means your option A. Okay, option A is the correct answer, and that is exactly what majority of you have selected. Okay, so congratulations. Okay, so 24 students again got the option A correct. Okay, so that is the correct answer. Okay, so if you understood this question, please click on S. Okay, so click on S if you understood this question. Okay, see, I'm again telling you, you have to practice, man. Okay, you have to practice a lot. You should solve minimum 25 to 30 questions of syllogism. If you want to understand, perfect Allah, understand. If you want to understand the topic, you have to solve 25 to 30 questions. Minimum I'm telling. Okay, just by solving 4-5 questions, you won't understand. Okay, you won't understand anything. You have to solve 25 to 30 questions minimum. Okay, to understand. I'm going to write it here. Okay, you please take it seriously. In order to understand syllogism, you have to solve minimum 25 questions. Okay, in order to understand. Perfect Allah, understand. Okay, you have to solve it. Okay, and I will upload the pictures in the WhatsApp group. Solve. Okay, solve. Next week test is there, you know that. Okay, so please solve. You have any issues, you can ask. Okay, but first to solve minimum 25 questions. Okay, solving means not just choosing question number 21 A, 22 B. No, not like that. Solving means with the steps. Okay, complete solution should be there with all steps. That is what solution is. Don't mark A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. No, that is not. You won't learn anything by that. Okay, proper full steps like the way I have done here. All the 3 steps should be there. Okay, like that you solve 25 questions, then you will understand. If you did not understand, ask me. I will make you understand. Okay, so first to do that, please. Humble request. I am folding my hands and telling you. Otherwise, you won't understand. I cannot help. God will also not help. Okay, you first solve. Okay, so Maharashtra students, if you cannot take it from Aman sir, then you can take it from me. Okay, so you have my number. If you do not have, end of the class, I'll put it. Don't worry. Okay, so question number 10. Let us try. Come on. Okay, you guys are brilliant. You are improving. Okay, you can do this. Question number 10. Again, on your screen, I'm going to launch the poll. Question number 10. Okay, I hope you can crack this, man. Okay, I have a strong feeling that at least this time, minimum 30 students will get it correct. Okay, let us hope for the best. Question number 10. Question number 10. You can do this. Come on. Okay, slightly different question. Okay, slightly different question. But I'm sure you have all the potential. You are smart. You're talented. You can do question number 10. Okay, question number 10. All yours. Let's try. Come on. So you have time. Don't worry. Take your time. But tell me correct answer. But please do the steps, man. Please do the steps. Diagram, table, everything you should do. Please. So question number 10. Question number 10. Okay, I'll give another 30 seconds. Okay, another 30 seconds. Another 30 seconds for you. Come on, you can get this correct. Slightly different question. That's all. Whatever we have learned till now, apply all that knowledge and solve. Okay, just make it little quick. Thoda jaldi you solve question number 10. Okay, question number 10. See, again, I'm telling, I'll be really happy if you can get the diagram correct at least. Okay, if you get the diagram, minimum, your diagram should be correct. Okay, if your diagram is correct, if your relationship is correct, that means you are progressing. Okay, you are improving, and soon you will definitely get answer also correct. Okay, if you cannot see the poll, you can click on the more option. Okay, and then you can choose the poll manually, or next time you can update the app, Zoom app, and come. For time being, you type and send me the answer. Okay, fine. So last 5 seconds. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time up. So let us see how many of you have selected and how many of you have got this question correct. So I'm gonna end the poll. I'm going to share the results. Okay, so on your screen, oh, very nice. 52% of you, I mean, like 33 students have gone with option D, and I hope it is correct. So let's check. Okay, let's check if option D is correct or wrong. Okay, come on. I'll be happy. I'll also be praying that option D is correct. Okay, and you have got it correct. So let's try. Let's start from step 1. Okay, I'm going to rub all this and let us start from step 1 by the diagram. Okay, see, do not be disheartened if your answer is wrong. You should still be proud of yourself if you can at least get the diagram correct. I'll be happy if your diagram is correct at least. Okay, so first let us do the diagram. Question number 10. All the trucks are files. All the trucks are files. So I'll make file. This is my big circle. That is my big circle. Next truck is my chotu circle inside. Okay, this is my this shaded thing is my truck. Okay, statement 1 over. Next, some scooters are files. Some scooters are files. So I'm going to make this circle like this, and that SC stands for scooter. Okay, some scooters are files. Either this diagram or this diagram, both are possible. Okay, both like this, both are possible. Okay, so both are possible. Okay, now this is our step 1. This is our step 1. If your step 1, if your diagram is correct, click on S. Okay, I'll be happy to see if your diagram is correct at least. Okay, step 1, diagram correct, click on S. Okay, if any of the 2 diagrams, if you have done any one of the diagram also, give yourself full points. Okay, if your diagram is correct, if any one diagram also you have done, click on S. Okay, very good, fantastic. Some 40 of you, 41 students of you have selected yes. That is 50% roughly. Good, nice. Okay, diagram corrected, be happy. Okay, now second, relationship table. I know relationship of, see, truck I know, file I know. So I'm going to write here truck file relationship I know. Okay, next, scooter file relationship I know. Scooter file relationship I know. Okay, very nice. Now let us attack. Okay, let us go for the conclusions and see what is the answer. Okay, conclusion number 1 tells all the trucks are scooters. All the trucks are scooters Not sure. Okay, not sure. Why? Because I don't know relationship of truck and scooter. Okay. In the question, not given. Dekho, they have given of truck and file, scooter and file, but truck and scooter, the relationship is not given. So we cannot consider conclusion one. Okay, we cannot consider conclusion one. Next, they are telling some trucks are scooters. Some trucks are scooters. Again, not sure. Okay, not sure, because you see, truck to scooter relationship we don't know. Okay, we are not sure. They haven't given clarity about truck and scooter relationship. Even diagram also, we have two diagrams. Okay, we do not have unique answer. We have two diagrams. Okay, that means there is an uncertainty. Conclusion one is also not perfect. Conclusion two is also not perfect. So out of the four options, which option should I go? I should go with option D. Okay, I should go with option D, and hence option D is your correct option, because neither one nor two conclusions are perfect in this question. Okay, and when I look back at the options, okay, selected by you, it's fantastic. 33 students have got it correct. Okay, so that's a great improvement. Okay, so I will consider this as a progress. Okay, so well done. Okay, well done. But others, do not worry. I'm at least happy that most of you got the diagrams correct. Okay, most of you got your diagrams correct. Okay, beautiful. Okay, wonderful effort from all of you. Fantastic. Okay, so the other questions, I'm going to today mark you the homework. Okay, question number 11 to question number 25. Okay, I'm going to put those questions, don't worry. Question number 11 till question number 25, please practice. Okay, homework. So all these, please practice, and next class I will tell you the answers. I'll tell you the answers, and you can verify how many of these questions you got it correct. I'll be really happy if you can get at least 5 to 6 questions correct. Okay, so I will put this in the group. Okay, I will put this in the WhatsApp group. You can just take it down from there. Okay, cool. So now it's time for us to quickly do German and then go for our Kahoot quiz. Okay, so real fast. Okay, real fast. I don't have much time, so jaldi we will go do some German today and then go for the quiz. Okay, fast man. Okay, and today's German we will learn about this. Okay, so that is this. Okay, so we will see how to name some of the food items, or today's topic is related to food. Okay, today's topic of German is related to food. Okay, so real fast, I will first give you the notes. Okay, so and then I will explain you, and after this we'll go for quiz. Okay, bega. Then I have one more climax video for you, something special. Okay, today something happened. Okay, you can guess what happened today. It's a special day, significant day. You take a guess. Okay, I'll show it at the end of the class, don't worry. Okay, now bega, fast. German, today's German is related to food. Okay, I'm going to make it food part 1. Okay, food part 1. So let's start. If I have to tell I eat, okay, if I have to tell I eat in German, okay, so how do you say this? You say this as ich esse. Okay, ich esse. This is how you tell I eat. Okay, next, if you want to tell we eat, okay, so then you have to tell this as wir essen. Okay, so wir essen. Okay, so that is how you pronounce. Fine. Next, okay, if you have to tell you eat, okay, you eat, so how do you say this you eat? You tell it as du isst. Okay, du isst. food items, I will tell you the food items names. Next, I'll tell. Don't worry. Okay. I'm first telling you the forms, standard forms. Okay. I eat ish s. We eat wir essen. Okay. Wir essen. You eat du isst. Okay. Du isst. Next, suppose you have to tell you all eat. You all eat. Okay. So I will tell this as ihr esst. Okay. Ihr esst. IHRESST. Here esst. Okay. Then suppose you want to specifically mention someone. Okay. You want to tell he eats. Okay. He eats. So then you tell this as here ist. Okay. Here ist. Suppose you want to tell she eats. Okay. She eats. Okay. You will tell sie esst. Okay. Sie esst. So now we will not confuse ourselves by past tense, present tense, future tense and all. Tenses I will do later. Don't worry. Okay. Tenses I will do later. Okay. Now let us get the basics correct. Okay. Too much in one day, you will get confused. Solpa will do. Take your time. Okay. So suppose I have to tell she eats. Okay. She eats. Then I'll tell sie isst. Okay. Sie isst. Suppose I have to tell it eats. Okay. Suppose some napunsakaling. Okay. It eats. Okay. So then how should I tell? I will tell this as es ist. Okay. Es ist. So the other side. Okay. If I have to tell they eat. Okay. They eat. So I have to tell this as sie essen. Okay. Sie essen. Okay. Simple, basic, simple, easy. So I've just not complicated anything. Okay. So simple, easy forms of words I have mentioned. That's all. Okay. That's all. Food items names I will mention now. Food items names I will mention now. If you could understand till this. Okay. So click on S. Okay. Click on S. If you can at least remember and understood this basic forms. Okay. This is just part 1. Okay. This is just part 1. Okay. Now some simple food items. I will start with some simple food items. So all these vegetables, you say it as Gemüse. Okay. Vegetables, you tell it as Gemüse. Okay. And there is 2 dot over U. Okay. Those are special vowels. Okay. They have special pronunciation, which I'll tell you later. Okay. So Gemüse. Okay. That is your vegetables. Okay. Suppose you have to tell sugar. Okay. Sugar. So sugar is this in German. Okay. Sugar is Zucker. Okay. Zucber. Okay. Zucker. Sugar is Zucker. Okay. Next. Okay. I will just keep it short. Okay. So that you don't get confused too much in one day. I'll just keep it short so that I want to know if you can get this quiz correct. Okay. So delicious. Okay. Delicious. You call it as lecker. Lecker. Okay. Lecker. Okay. Lecker. Okay. Simple things. Okay. Next. So best. Everybody loves this. So I thought, so I'll just quickly tell you this also. Okay. So chocolate. Okay. If you have to tell this in German, okay, call it as Schokolade. Okay. So chocolate, this amazing chocolate, you call it as Schokolade. Okay. So Swalpa spellings are slightly changed. Okay. Spellings are slightly different. So chocolate, it is Schokolade. Okay. SCHOKOLADE. Chocolate. Okay. So slight changes. That's all. If you have to tell that chocolate is sweet. Okay. Chocolate is sweet. Okay, so how do you say this? How do you say this? You will tell this as Schokolade. Schokolade ist Zeus. Okay, so you have this special alphabet in terms of beta. Okay, Schokolade is Zeus. You have to put this 2 dots because that is a special oval. Okay, vowel, and you have to put like this. Okay, this is nothing but SUSS. Okay, SUSS. Okay, Chocolade is Zeus. Okay, Chocolade is Zeus. Okay, if you can type like this also, that is fine, because some symbols will not be present in the keyboard to type. Okay, so simple thing, basic thing. Okay, so I just wanted to put this only minimum stuff for your today's German quiz. It is just part 1. Okay, some of you are telling how to what to tell for pizza and all those things. Everything I'll tell. Wait, one by one. Okay, you want pizza, you want burger, okay, you want chapati or whatever you want to know, do one by one. Okay, so this is about today's basic simple food items related, okay, to German. So now on your screen, so I will launch this quiz. Okay, so let us see if you can get this correct. Okay, so on your screen now, okay, you have this basic quiz, okay, on German. Okay, so basic quiz on your German. So quickly, so type www.kahoot.it, okay, and join the quiz. Okay, so real fast. So on your screen now, okay, so quickly I will share the game pin. You can enter the game pin and join the game. Okay, so now Bega, you type www.kahoot.it, and on your screen now I'll put this quiz. Wait, it's just loading. Okay, just loading. So fast. Okay, so meanwhile you just quickly go through this. Okay, so meanwhile you quickly go through this, and the quiz is just based on what you have learned. Simple. Okay, simple, easy quiz. Okay, everybody should get full points. Okay, yes, so there you go, the quiz is ready now. Okay, so on your screen now you will see the instruction. Okay, don't worry, new students, okay, new students who are attending today for the first time, don't worry, on your screen you can see the instruction. You should go to www.kahoot.it. They will ask you for one number. Okay, you enter the number and you join the quiz. Okay, simple, easy. So it's just coming on your screen. Okay, 6470618. Okay, so you see above they have given this instruction: join at www.kahoot.it. You type that website and you put the game pin 6470618 and you join the quiz. Okay, faster. It's just show to quiz, man. Simple quiz, easy. Don't take tension. Okay, you can aram se join. Okay, fast, man. So last 10 seconds. Okay, please join quick. Okay, please join quick, real quick. Last 10 seconds. Okay, cool. So on your screen now, you'll see the first question. Okay, you'll see the first question. So let us see if you can get this correct. Okay, you should be fast. Okay, you should be real quick. Okay, true or false? I eat is pronounced as ish s. Is it true? I eat is pronounced as ish s. Is it true or false? You look at the notes, you get an idea. Okay, look at the notes and you can you can be the top 5 of today's quiz. Okay, verify your notes. And there you go, fantastic. Okay, 45 of 45 students got it correct. Okay, and Ruhan was quickest to answer. Oh, Ruhan, Manoj, both of them 1,000 points. Fantastic, great competition. Translate, we eat. You have to type the answer. Okay, no options. You have to type. You have to type the answer. We eat. Okay, what is the answer? Translate this into German. We eat. Okay, look at your notes. You will get an idea. Okay, look at your notes. You get an idea. Don't copy. Just understand and write. Okay, last 5 seconds. Last 5 seconds. You have to type the answer. Okay, you type the answer. Okay, and let us see how many of you got it correct. Okay, how many of you got it correct? Come on. Okay, very nice. 35 of you got it correct. Beer Essen. Okay, Beer Essen is the correct answer. And Manoj on yes. Oh, just leading by 1 point. Okay, question number 3. Chocolate is sweet. Please type the answer in German. Chocolate is sweet. Okay, how do you write it in German? Chocolate is sweet. Okay, chocolate is sweet. How do you write it? Okay, so you look at the notes, you get an idea. Okay, look at the notes, you get an idea. Chocolate is sweet. No need to write the special vowels and all. So in the classwork notes, I told you the simple way of writing. You can choose that. Okay, and time up. Okay, so let us see who got this correct. Okay, 24 students got it correct. Array, look at the notes carefully, man. Everything is from the notes only. Come on, you cannot make mistakes. Okay, Manoj is still leading. Fantastic. Okay, last question. Sugar. Okay, which of the following is the German translation of sugar? Okay, sugar, which is the correct word of German, which means sugar. Okay, so last 10 seconds. Fast. Last 10 seconds. Okay. Time up. Okay, time up. So very good. Sugar is Zucker. Lecker means delicious. Okay, lecker means delicious. Different word. Okay. So let us see the winners of today's quiz. Okay. Let's see winner of today's quiz. Simple quiz, easy quiz. At third position, we have Shrujana. So very good. So at second position, we have Sneha. And first position, okay, today's winner of the quiz is none other than Manoj. Okay, so fantastic. Okay, so fourth position we have Priyanka, fifth position Samruddhi. So fantastic, wonderful participation from all of you. It's okay if you're not in the top 5, just keep trying. I'm pretty sure one or the other day you will definitely be in the top 5. Okay, so with that I'm going to end today's class. Okay, Okay, so it's already too late. Okay, Mohit sir is already waiting.